What is going on, guys? We have a fun video today. A lot of people have been talking about the red S550 that we put together. They want to see it paired up against the Whipple S550 over there. So we got some professional stunt drivers and Mexico, and we're gonna head out there. So this is a VMP Gen 3R. The car's been 9.6 and 146. There's been a few fixes for some belt slip recently, so I think this thing's going to demolish that car over there. We also have a CBR 1000 that may get thrown into the mix. This also has a carbon fiber hood now. Dynoed somewhere around 800 the other day, but that was with some belt slip. And right here we have a 2016 Mustang Whipple supercharger 2.9. Both of these cars are on E85, and yeah, so Jordan did add a little bit of weight.
I did.
It's got a cage. So
you guys were begging me at VMP when we dynoed the car,
now
so I went back and got it.
You can go 9s.
Yeah, now I can go 9s and I'll get kicked out. Watch, it's gonna go over 150 and be like, nope, parachute, you're done. So
now,
mad.
BMR does make a bolt-on parachute mount for the rear.
Yeah, you sent me the link for that.
Yeah.
But if I do that, then no one's gonna race me at all. They're gonna be like, he's got a parachute and a cage, I'm good.
Yeah, we're gonna see what happens. This car made about 815, manual car. That one right there is an auto. So we'll see what happens.
When are our professional drivers gonna be here?
Yeah, we're just waiting for them to show up. Cars get shipped out to Mexico. It's gonna be about
private track
7 days to get there.
Okay.
So
we'll find out in 7 days what happens.
Yeah, but we got the Whipple Mustang on some welds up front. These are actually my GT500 wheels, and then the JMS drag wheels on the back. So should be interesting. Let's go head to Mexico. We'll talk to you guys in about a week. This poor car is getting destroyed.
Auto for the win.
Yeah, but I didn't really get to see too close, but I guess the bike is faster.
The bike got me. I'll give you props. You got me. Where's my 100?
Oh.
You have to take the fact that he lost off of him. Put it on you.
Oh man, dude, I got gap ties. I was like, no, we're not doing this again.
My rule of thumb to beat something
Dude,
like this.
The second time we ran, my IATs were 150.
Damn.
A good setup 1000.
Mine and I had all the sauce the second time.
Yeah, I mean, this car right here, it's full weight. It's not, this is auto weight reduction, just race car setup. So
Manual's still so much fun though.
it is fun, and I mean, I can shift it fairly quickly, but it's just, you know, this thing just shifts so fast, and it's you hit so harder, so much harder.
The first race, that thing, it launched forward.
Yeah.
There's so much traffic in Mexico, I mean, couldn't really get a full long run in.
Yeah. But anyways, for anyone who's going to comment and say that this thing is the slowest thing they've ever seen, you're comparing what is probably a low 10, high 9 car to mid to low 9s and
fast.
Low 9. I mean, the problem is launching a bike, obviously.
Your wheel came up the second run.
It did both runs.
Did it? It sketched me out.
It's hard.
It sketched me out.
Yeah.
I can ride, right? I told you that.
So we might try to convince Nick to clean these two dirty drag cars. He's smiling. And we do have one more race right here. Audi RS3. This is actually a fairly quick car. E85 and tune. And should see what it does. This is actually a high 10 car, believe it or not. No one really knows, but we're gonna see how it pairs up against the S550. So we made it out to a meet. Gonna see what happens out in Mexico. I am loving
Hey,
the
did everybody
welds.
know that he got gapped today?
Oh god.
By this thing, this Volkswagen.
I don't think so. That is a fast Jetta, my friend. And F in the chat for Lewis. He hit a few crowds. And F in the chat, bro. No, seriously, some lady I guess like hit him, and that sucks. So
Supercharged are looking nice and chromy though.
yeah, this is Lewis's GT350 if you don't know. Pro Charge, obviously. Not looking too pretty.
I got it on there.
He almost hit me.
It's like a Lamborghini.